How to buy Spotify Premium on Android device. Hi everyone, I'm here to guide you how you can buy your Spotify Premium on your Android device. So to buy your Spotify Premium on your Android device, you have to be sure that your Spotify app was updated on your device. If it was successfully updated, then you have to go for your Spotify app and open it. After that, on the bottom, you can see the premium option. Go for that. So to buy Spotify Premium on your Android device, you have to go for the try free for 1 month. You can change your plan here. On the top right, there is a change plan option. You can go for that. You can choose the plan according to your choice. So here you can see that you can view all the plan that you want. So all the premium plan include 8 free music listening, download to listen offline, play song in any order, high audio quality, listen with friend in real time, organized listening queue. For that you have to pay only 2.99 per month after the 1 month free trial. Go for the try free month and you can pay with your continue with Spotify, and you can pay with your PayPal, Visa card, your MasterCard and debit or credit card. So that's the process how to buy Spotify Premium on your Android device. So that's it for today. If you like this video, please hit that like button and subscribe for more. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.